Oppo announced the launch of its latest R device in India, the Oppo R17 Pro. The R17 Pro combines a revolutionary new gradient design with innovative technology. Just like the phone inside, the box has a gradient texture on it and is quite exquisite. So let's go ahead and unbox this beauty. I'm sure you agree that removing plastic of a new gadget is so satisfying. The R17 Pro comes with a 6.4 inches FHD Plus screen and has a 91.5% screen to body ratio thanks to the water drop screen. R17 Pro is the first device to use Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and comes with 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM, improving the speed and performance of the device. The device is also the first in India to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor and comes with ColorOS 5.2 based on Android 8.1. Talking about the camera, the R17 Pro has a triple camera setup on the back which comprises of 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel plus 3D sensors along with a 25 megapixel front facing camera. In the box you get the Oppo R17 Pro handset, Super VOOC charger that gives you more than 90% battery in 30 minutes, a protective case, USB Type-C earphones, SIM pin and the usual documentation. The Oppo R17 comes in two colors, Radiant Mist and Emerald Green. It is priced at Rs 45,990 and is available for pre-order and will go on sale from 7 December onwards. But as you're watching this video, you don't need to wait for the sale to get the Oppo R17 Pro for yourself. All you need to do is follow the steps in the description below to win it for yourself. And also remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. For those who haven't subscribed to us, please click on the subscribe button and then the bell icon. Thanks for watching the Unbiased vlog.